Good Tuesday, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. High pressure is still sitting north and west of the Yukon River at 1,023 millibars, and it's guiding cooler air up toward the Beaufort Seacoast, where we've got a little bit of fog and light snow falling across the Prudhoe Bay region. A look out west, though, shows that stormier days are coming for the west coast, where rainfall is showery in nature north of Nunivak Island, just south of the Bering Strait, and up toward St. Lawrence Island. A look even further west shows a 990 millibar low west of St. Matthew. The front is working through the central Aleutians. A little bit further off toward Attu Island in south and west is a 972 millibar low. That system will move quickly across the central Aleutians. And with that, gale warnings are posted for many areas, but storm warnings are in effect for the central chain as we go in through tonight and tomorrow. As we look at tonight, the winds will come up across the central chain. Low pressure drops to 967 millibars south of Attu and Kiska. High pressure will continue across the Gulf of Alaska, keeping the sky relatively clear, and winds pretty calm across south central and most of the interior. And that means with a clear and cold sky and light winds, expect some chilly temperatures, most areas in the 20s and 30s there. For southeast, clouds will cover in, but it looks like many along the misty fjords may see a brief shower or two. We'll continue to see a few snowflakes across the northeastern coastal plain of the North Slope. For Wednesday, a few snow showers may linger across the Beaufort Seacoast as high pressure creeps eastward into the northern part of the Yukon. Meanwhile, a look out west shows low pressure lurking across the central chain at 971 millibars. The front creeps eastward toward Nikolsky and Dutch Harbor with a stronger southerly flow working across the eastern chain. Rain will mainly stay right on the coast of the YK Delta there, Nunivak Island, St. Lawrence Island, St. Matthew, and the Pribilofs will see those stronger southerly winds as well as a better chance for rainfall. Looks like most of the storm warnings, though, will be limited to the chain, and the strongest winds also along the Aleutians as the system slowly moves eastward for Thursday. Winds will pick up a little bit more for Nunivak Island, St. Matthew, and the Pribilofs, as well as the eastern Aleutians, and the Alaska Peninsula will start to become blustery as we head into Thursday afternoon. High pressure across the Arctic Ocean sits around 1,029 millibars east of Point Barrow, and low pressure south and west of Haida Gwaii at 1,005. Most areas across Alaska will be clear, quiet, and cool. With Alaska statewide weather, this is meteorologist Dave Snyder.